What's up guys, check out this heavy duty clothes rack. This rack can hold over 600 pounds of clothes. And what I really like about it is just how much space it has on here. And these arms are adjustable. So if you need to extend them out, you can do so just like that. And they do that on both sides, which is nice. Just gives you that extra space. And like I said, you could just hang so many clothes, over 600 pounds of clothes. I love the offset rails at the top. It just allows you to be able to see clothes at different heights. Gives it that really cool look to it. And the poles are far enough apart distance-wise that when you have like shirts on each side, they're not like stacking up into each other. They're not hitting each other. Just being able to have enough room to fit clothes on both sides is really nice. This would be really nice at like a boutique. Almost looks like one of those hotel carts that you put your luggage on, especially at the bottom here. You can see it does have like a nice support system. You could put some shoes or bags that you don't want on the ground. It does have lockable wheels, so you're able to just kind of glide it around on hard surfaces. And what's really nice is if you don't have too many clothes on it, you can just close those back up and it just saves some space for you on the outside. The clothes rack is made out of aluminum tubes, so that makes it really lightweight, so you can carry it around. It weighs about 17 pounds on its own, so you could actually lift this up if you wanted to. So if you're looking for a heavy duty clothes rack that's gonna be really steady, holding over 600 pounds of clothes, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.